Deploying an omni-chain smart contract on zEVM. zEVM contracts are the contracts that run within Zeta Chain. These contracts can be any standard Solidity contracts without any changes. Anything that you deploy on Ethereum, you could deploy on Zeta Chain. However, if you want to get the full potential of Zeta Chain, you need to align with certain interfaces that allow you to connect with and orchestrate assets across connected blockchains. To deploy a zEVM contract, you will need to follow similar steps as deploying a cross-chain messaging contract. However, instead of deploying on multiple chains, you will only deploy on Zeta Chain. Here are the steps to deploy a zEVM contract. Set up the local environment by running yarn install in the root of the project. Set up the deployer's private key in the .env file located at zetachain/packages/zEVM contracts. If there's no .env file, then create a new one. There's no need to set up Alchemy API key as you will use the RPC already pre-configured. You can find more details on Zeta Chain's testnet RPC here, but it is already pre-configured in this project. Private_key equals your key. Note, there are several ways to create a new private key. If you are not familiar with that, you can refer to Ether's documentation https://docs.ethers.org/v5/api/signer/number sign wallet-create-random. This will let you generate a new wallet with a random private key. You can get the address and private key using the following script. In the examples folder, create a new file called wallet.js. //wallet.js. Const ethers equals require ethers. Const new wallet equals ethers wallet.create random. Console.log new wallet.address. Console.log new wallet.private key // when entering this into .env, remove the 0x. After saving this, you can run node wallet.js and it should output something like 0x4EC45-505E4D 0x74BD8034C82772. Your .env could look like, copy the entire key without the 0x. The is just here as an example. Private_key equals 74BD8034C82772. 0x4EC45-505E4D is your public address of the wallet you generated, and you can send assets to this address. Make sure you keep track of both so you have it on hand later. Be aware that this is not a recommendation of a secure way to manage your keys for a mainnet application. This is solely for development and testing purposes. Go to the zEVM contracts package, cd packages/zEVM contracts/ and look for the script zetaswap/deploy. Use hardhat to deploy the contract by running a command similar to the one used for cross-chain messaging contracts. Zeta_network equals Athens execute_programmatically equals true npx hardhat run scripts/zetaswap/deploy.ts network Athens. Note, make sure to have enough funds in the wallet public key, specified by the private key used for deploying the contract on Zeta Chain. You can read on how to acquire assets for testnets here, https://www.zetachain.com/docs/developers/get-testnet-zeta/. The easiest way is to join our Discord and use our Discord bot faucet in #ZetaFaucet. If you're having trouble acquiring assets, please contact the Zeta Chain team. If you are on a non-Unix command line, Windows, please add Zeta_network equals Athens and execute_programmatically equals true to your environment, e.g. set Zeta_network equals Athens, and run the command starting with npx hardhat. In this example, we will deploy the Zeta swap contract. Make sure to specify the Zeta Chain network using the network flag. This deploy script uses the configuration already in the repository to deploy the relevant contracts, ZetaSwap and ZetaSwap BTC inbound, to the Athens testnet.